Leverage was started behind the concept of what would happen if people came together for a common cause. Imagine this. You and a friend go to a car dealership and you're looking to get a car. And then you and 500 of your friends go to that same dealership the next day. Who do you think is going to get the better deal? What we've done with Leverage is we've gone ahead and we've brought a community of entrepreneurs together to give us the best discounts we can possibly get on the best tools and software that help us grow our business, while taking a percentage of those profits and giving it to causes that we truly believe in to help end major issues that are happening around the world. Extreme poverty, sex trafficking, amazing things can happen. So when we sit down and we think about this community called Leverage, it's not necessarily about getting deals. It's more about how can we bring a community of entrepreneurs around the world together to end human trafficking, ending world hunger, and really give us meaning in our lives.